Hey there, I'm your teacher Eric from DET Practice. Today, we're working on a speaking sample question, which you might see labeled as Read, Then Speak. You'll read a prompt and then have 1 to 3 minutes to speak your answer. The prompt for our practice is, describe a time when you were the first among your family or friends to try something new, like a restaurant or activity. How did being the first to try it impact your experience? How did you share the experience with other people? Our focus point today is mastering 5 useful expressions for speaking questions about friends and family. Using idiomatic language can really make your response sound more natural and fluent. The expressions are: 1. Take the plunge. This means to finally do something you've been hesitating about. 2. Test the waters. To try something first to see if it's good or safe for others. 3. Rave about something. To talk about something with great enthusiasm. 4. Word of mouth. When information spreads by people telling each other. 5. A big hit with someone, meaning something is very popular with a certain group. So how do we use these in our answer? You can structure your story around them. For example, you could start by saying you decided to take the plunge and visit a new rock climbing gym. Since none of your friends had been, you were the one to test the waters. After having an amazing time, you could explain how you started to rave about it in your group chat. Soon, through word of mouth, everyone became interested. Finally, you can conclude by saying the gym became a big hit with your friend group, and now you all go together. This method helps you build a coherent story while showcasing a wider range of vocabulary. Before we reveal a sample answer, pause this video and try to answer the prompt yourself. Use at least 2 of the expressions we just discussed. You have 30 seconds to prepare.
Welcome back. Here is a strong sample answer. I remember when a new escape room opened in my town, and I decided to take the plunge and be the first in my family to try it. I was a bit nervous, but I felt like I was the one to test the waters for everyone. Being the first one there was exciting. There were no spoilers, and every puzzle was a complete surprise, which made the experience more thrilling. Afterwards, I couldn't stop talking about it. I started to rave about the clever clues and the immersive theme during our next family dinner. The story spread by word of mouth, and soon my cousins were all asking me for details. We organized a family trip there the next month, and it was a big hit with everyone, from my younger sister to my uncle. It's now one of our favorite family activities. That's all for today's practice. If you'd like more speaking exercises, log in to detpractice.com now and claim your 3-day free VIP trial.